Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I am, actually filming a video that isn't just a life update. I know, it's crazy. So I asked you guys on my Instagram to make some assumptions about me, and then I'm gonna answer them here so you can learn a little bit about me and see how much you know about me. Sorry if I didn't answer your question, or your assumption, I guess. I don't know if I'm gonna get to all of them, but I'm gonna try my best. And yeah, let's get started. So the first one is that I eat food and watch TV/movies and sleep. That is false. I do not sleep. Just kidding. That's pretty accurate. Very good assumption. Don't know how you guessed that. This one is that I am pretty chill and nervous about my content. I don't know how I can be chill and nervous about my content. I'd say I'm more on the chill side than the nervous side. I don't really get nervous about posting things, so I guess 50% correct. All right, I am more of a pancakes person than a waffle person. I like them both though. I have a waffle maker. It's a little waffle maker. Sometimes I use it to make waffles and they're adorable and I love it, but I also like pancakes. And like I can choose, like if I'm at like a diner or something and there's pancakes available and there's waffles available, I don't know if I necessarily choose one over the other like more frequently. I think you just have to like feel it in your heart at the moment and then decide, you know? Alright, so the next assumption is that I like K-pop. That's kind of true. I'm not like a huge K-pop fan, but I do like, I don't dislike K-pop, and I still like know a lot of the bands and like a bunch of songs, and I still listen to it, but I'm not like a huge K-pop fan. You know, I don't really follow it too closely, but I enjoy it when I'm listening to it, or like if a friend's playing it or something, like I'll totally listen and I like it. But I'm just not like super into it. Like I know a lot of people are like huge fans of K-pop, and I've seen videos of people just like going absolutely crazy about K-pop, and so that's not me, but I definitely don't dislike it and I definitely enjoy listening to it. So yeah, also I'd say yes, you got that one. The next one is my favorite music is rock. I'd say I tend to gravitate towards pop punk. Like, just in general, I listen to all types of music. I know like lots of people say that, but like honestly, I listen to just about like every genre of music. It just depends what I'm in the mood for. But in general, I'll go for like Fall Out Boy, Panic at the Disco, the kind of music that we used to listen to in like 2008 or whatever. Is that like when we were listening to them? I don't even know. But like, I still listen to that now. Especially if you guys follow me on Twitch. I often have Fall Out Boy playing in the background because I love Fall Out Boy so much. So that's more, I'd say, pop punk than rock. But I still like rock. It's just not my favorite. Alright, my arms will fall off if they are not attached to a Starbucks cup. That is accurate. My arms are currently off. They've fallen off, no longer attached. Someone get me a Starbucks. There's no one here to get me Starbucks. Next one says, I assume you're thinking about food. I am always thinking about food. I swear, there is never a moment where I'm not thinking about food. Food is so good, you guys. I have lots of favorite foods. I love chocolate cakes. I love any kind of desserts that have apples in, like apple pies, apple cakes, apple tarts. Like, apple desserts are so good. And then I also like a lot of other foods. I love cheese, just in general. On things is good too, like cheese pizza, mac and cheese, but also just plain cheese, amazing. I love potatoes. French fries are life. If you like see me at a con, I'm probably eating French fries. I have a Starbucks refresher and I have French fries. That's basically what I survive off of. So the next one is, I am a friendly person and easy to talk to. I'd like to think that's true. I don't think that's something that I can answer like about myself. you know? I hope people think that I'm friendly and easy to talk to, but that's like a hard thing to like judge yourself on, you know? Let me know. Let me know if you think I'm a friendly person and easy to talk to. Fingers crossed that your answer is yes, but if not, I will work on that. This one is, I am secretly a ninja. Okay, if I was secretly a ninja, do you think that I would get on YouTube and tell you that I was a ninja? No. Excuse you. Like, let's be real here, okay? Let's take this seriously. This is a very serious assumption challenge, and I don't appreciate you thinking that I'm just gonna come on here and tell you guys that I'm a ninja. So that was some assumptions about me and whether or not they were true. Let me know if you like videos like this, if you want to see more of this type of video where like I ask a question or something on Instagram and then answer it here. I really had fun doing it, but I hope that you guys want to see this kind of thing. I hope you like the different background that I've decided to use today. Oh look, here's my sweater. I was wondering where that was. Okay. Yeah, this is a kind of different background. I was thinking maybe it'd be cool to do a video on like my plushie collection. This is obviously not all of them because plushies are life. I need to stop. I said for a while that I was going to stop collecting them, and then I didn't stop. So I'd love to do a video like that. But yeah, let me know what kind of videos you want to see now that I'm kind of restarting my channel after a bit of a break. Be sure to follow me on my various other social media, 2 Instagrams, daniella.claire and daniella.claire.cosplay, and my Twitch, which is just daniella.claire, one word. I do makeup streams every morning, and then sometimes I do other streams at night just chatting or, you know, maybe doing arts and crafts or cooking waffles, using my waffle maker, just kind of whatever. So be sure to be following me there. Yeah, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!